Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a chatbot using DeepSeek. DeepSeek is an AI that can efficiently code even complex projects. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Type DeepSeek and press the Enter key. Open the first website shown in the search results. Now, click on the button labeled English, and the website will translate into English. Click on Start Now, and DeepSeek will open here. If you are using DeepSeek for the first time, you will need to sign up. Now, we need to provide a prompt. I have already written a prompt earlier, which you can find in the description. Copy the prompt and paste it into DeepSeek. Select the Deep Think button and click on the Send button. It says thinking. It will take a few seconds, and then it will give the code. And you can see that it has started writing the code. It may take some time. After it finished writing the entire code, click on the Copy button to copy the code. Now, open Notepad and paste the code into it. Go to File and click on Save. Now, select the location and give it a name with a .html extensio. And click on the Save button. Now, go to its location and open it by double-clicking on it. And you can see that DeepSeek has created a really good chatbot. If you say hello, it will give you a simple response. But if you ask it any other question, you'll notice that it won't be able to answer. The reason for this is that we have created the chatbot using DeepSeek, but now we need to add an API to it. To get the API, first open a new tab, type OpenRouter and press the Enter key. Now, open the first website from the search results, or you can find the link in the description. Here, you will also need to sign up, which you can do with Google. After signing up, go to the search bar and search for DeepSeek v3. And now, click on DeepSeek v3 free. Now, scroll down, and below the Create API Key button, you can find some code examples. Click on the TypeScript tab and copy the code. Now, go to DeepSeek. Type this as the TypeScript code, and paste the copied code here. Then, type this as my API key. Now, go back to OpenRouter and click on the Create API Key button. Now, click on Create Key, then give a name to your API key and click the Create button. And your API key will appear here. Copy it by clicking the button next to it. After copying the API key, go back to DeepSeek and paste it here. Then type, "Can you please create a chatbot with the same interface using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the same block?" Disable DeepThink and then click on the Send button. Now, it may take some time to generate the code again, so you will need to be patient. After writing the code, copy the code. Go to Notepad, select the whole code by pressing Ctrl+A, and then paste the new code by pressing Ctrl+V. Now, save the code by pressing Ctrl+S. Go to the chatbot and refresh the page. And now your chatbot is ready. You can ask it any question now. And it will answer all your questions. You can see that it is able to answer every question. If you want to change something in it, just go to DeepSeek and tell it what you want to modify. DeepSeek will give you the complete code. Paste that code into Notepad, save it, and run it again.
Yeah!